Hi guys, Celai here, back with another video. So as you guys can see, I took my passion twist out. So I'm going to be washing my hair with the Monat collection. Okay. So this is the set that we're going to be using. But this is my dad's, and I heard that it's really nice and tingly. Alright, let's get started. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And a lot of people are talking about how expensive Monat is, but usually you just use maybe like a dime amount and then it'll just start working. You don't really need that much because it's really concentrated, and then once you put it on, it's gonna start sudsing, so you don't really need that much. It definitely feels, minty. It gives you like that refreshing feeling, like when you get off the shower, but on your hair. And it definitely feels really good. I don't know how it smells yet, because I don't know what that smells like. I cannot explain it. No, that's the towel. Okay. I'm focusing more on my scalp than my ends with shampoo. All right. So now we're going to be using the conditioner. All right, so it's conditioner time. I'm going to be setting my hair into 4 sections. Okay, how much? Okay. I worked it in really good, so now I'm gonna let it sit. And now it is rinse time. All right, so this is what it looks like. So I can definitely tell that my hair grew, but I know you guys can't really tell because, shrinkage. And it definitely grew because, quarantine, I had them in the 2 protective hairstyles, and, it grew quite a lot. All right, so we're gonna be adding a hydrating serum. I'm gonna apply this the best that I can, because I'm not very good with applying sprays to my hair. Okay. This is how much I use. Each bottle has, I think, 2 to 3 uses, but because I have a lot of hair, I use half. Half. Okay, now let me just make sure it got in all my hair. Okay. Okay, now we're going to be adding a leave-in conditioner. So apparently you're supposed to add it to your hands and then rub it until it's like white, and then, you know, apply it to your hair. What I really love about this is that it has a really nice and clean scent. It makes my hair really moisturized, you know. It just feels good in general. I really like it. So now we're gonna be adding this cream. Okay, now that I actually let them down, okay, they did hurt. Okay, so now I'm going to dry my hands. So now I'm going to be using the puff cuff to put my hair in a ponytail. What I really like about this is that it's really wide, so when you put it on your puff, it's wide, and it doesn't actually hurt, so it's not, you know, breaking off your hair, and it's not tight at all. If you guys want to go and get a puff cuff, you guys can go to thepuffcuff.com and use code Celai. There. All right. So now I'm going to be using this to define some of my curls. So this is my wash routine using Monat products. This is my first time actually doing my hair by myself, so don't judge me. And if you guys want to get any of the products, we'll make sure we link them down below, and we'll also link where you guys can get the puff cup down below. And we'll make sure that we link the hair quiz down below so you guys can find out what products work well with your hair and your hair goals. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've ever used a Monat product before. Alright, bye!